Today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly prepare driftwood before you add your rope, which will ensure longevity to your art. Hi, I'm Sheena Joy. I create macrame textile art, and I'm here to simply inspire you to do the same. If that's your jam, then subscribe and hit the bell notification. Before we begin, make sure you have your safety gear like gloves, a dust mask, and safety glasses. We are also going to need your well-worn driftwood, sandpaper, bleach, and clear matte spray paint. If you don't look like you're about to be Breaking Bad, then please use caution. The first thing that we're going to do is fully sand all the driftwood. We want to remove any of the loose pieces and make sure that there is absolutely no bark on it because we have to take it inside the house. So taking it into your well-ventilated bathroom, we are going to bleach our driftwood. Even though we're only using a little bit of bleach, it is still a hazardous chemical, and you have to properly dispose of it. Please check your municipality on how to properly dispose of bleach, but generally it is the safest for it to go down a drain or flush it. I filled a large bucket full of water to hold down the driftwood because you want your wood to be completely submerged underwater. I used 4 cups of bleach and filled my bathtub full of water. Look, do you see the bubbles? Bugs and bacteria can grow inside the crevices and break down the wood over time. So this is why we want to bleach the wood to make sure that it's disinfected. Because I have small kids and pets, I'm going to lock myself out of the bathroom just to make sure that nobody gets in there. Possibly it's overkill with the safety, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I hope you would be too. So let's set our timer for 2 to 3 hours. You can leave it soak longer, but I find 3 hours does the job without completely changing the color of the wood. Though, if you wanted your wood lighter, add more bleach and soak longer. So now I have 3 hours to have fun. We decided to go back outside and play. Once the timer goes off, wrap your driftwood in a drop cloth. Be careful taking it outside. I'd hate any bleach to drip onto your carpet or furniture. And now we need to wait several days for the wood to totally dry out again. Mine took nearly a week in hot summer weather. Yes, I'm back at sanding again, but this is only a light sand. When your driftwood is soaked and then dried, sometimes little sharp bits stick out, so I'm just doing a light sand just to make sure everything is nice and smooth and perfect. This is the spray paint that I use. It's made for indoor and outdoor use, and I believe you can use it on wood, metal, and plastic. I find what spray painting does is it helps with the longevity of your art. It really diminishes the breaking down process of the driftwood, and it also keeps creepy crawlies out. I'm using the matte clear coat, but it also comes in gloss and several other colors. I do 3 to 4 coats of paint just to ensure that I got every inch of my driftwood. I'm not a fan of creepy crawlies living inside my art, and I'm sure my clients are not fans as well. Shout out to my 7-year-old who was the cameraman during this portion of the video. You can kind of see his thumb in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Even though it's quick drying paint, I like to leave it overnight before I work on it. And this is the final result. I didn't really change the appearance of it very well. I just prepared it so that it keeps the bugs out, it's clean, and it's good to go before I put my macrame on it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Also, here are 2 more videos I think that you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.